welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're going to be looking at this 2017 GMC Acadia SLT. Comes equipped with a 3.6 liter V6 engine paired with a 6-speed automatic transmission. Other amenities included just as dual pane sunroof, aftermarket fast wheels, as well as leather heated seats, leather heated rear seating, and so much more. Come check it out. All right, moving on to the interior, we're going to have these all black doors with lots of extra storage on the bottom here. It's going to be equipped with a rear liftgate control, also accompanied with a Bose speaker sound system. You're going to have this wood chrome accents, power locks, power mirrors, and power windows with your seat memory as well. And onto the interior, we're going to have these leather heated seats, both power adjustable, very comfortable. Left side, you're going to do vents and your parking brake. And left side is steering wheel, you're going to have your cruise control and your forward collision alert. And the right side is your voice recognition and cluster control. The odometer cluster control pretty much access all of your vehicle information, including your fuel range, tire pressure, other measurements, including your transmission fluid as well. If you go back here, you can also access your audio, your Bluetooth connectivity, as well as your OnStar navigation and other settings too. Push to start on the side there. Of course, down below, you're going to have your climate control, the dual zone, and the heated seat control right there. Of course, onto the infotainment system. It's going to come equipped with OnStar navigation and services, as well as your Bluetooth connectivity. You can also access your rear climate and your camera as well with hitch guidance. Down below, you're going to have 2 USB ports as well as a 12-volt DC port. Right above that, the traction control and hazards. Of course, the new shifters. And the drive mode selector with your 2 and all-wheel drive, as well as race mode, trailer tow, and off-road, as well as park assist and lane keep assist. The center console with lots of extra storage inside. Passenger side, also power adjustable. You have that wood and chrome go across the dash as well, with Bose speakers up top. And here you can access your OnStar services and your SOS, as well as your reading lamps and your dual pane sunroof. You're gonna have these blacked out 20-inch aftermarket fast wheels on Assurance Comfort Drive tires. You're gonna have the paint match mirror caps and paint match keyless entry door handle. Luggage rack up top, deep tint rear glass. Coming to the back, you're also gonna have the dual exhaust. Not too bad. And as well as the power lift gate. Going to the back, you're gonna have that third row seating with extra 12-volt DC port and hooks. Push these down. Kind of look a little funny. There we go. Pull and push. Goes right down. Lots of extra storage space. You're going to have cup holders on each side, and on the left side, you're going to have a USB port with vents and lamps right up top. It's a very spacious rear. And moving on to the rear interior now, you're going to have speakers on the bottom with extra storage right there, as well as a built-in cup holder in the door with the power windows. You're also going to have the adjustable heated seating here. Lots of extra legroom storage behind the passenger and driver's seat with rear ventilation, rear heated seating with 2 USB ports and an AC wall charger, and some extra storage down below. Of course, you're going to have the captain chair, so it's going to have the armrest, lamps and vents, as well as handles, and the dual pane sunroof right above you. All right, well, thank you so much for tuning in today here at Wolfe Chevrolet as we checked out this 2017 GMC Acadia SLT. Comes equipped with a 3.6 liter V6 engine, also equipped with heated leather seating, heated rear seating, aftermarket fast wheels, luggage rack, dual pane sunroof, and so much more. Thank you so much for watching today. We hope you subscribe. We hope to see you at Chevy Farm very soon.